Hello my lovely viewers, I greet everybody according to your time. Wherever you dey watch me, I say make I salute you first. As e be inside Nigeria, all of us know say now the relationship wey dey na everything don scatter. Almost every celebrity marriage now e don dey upside down. This one now, Mr. Nedu wife don come outside. This man wey dey work for Wazobia. Una know say him come outside, him and him wife bin get wahala. The time wey Aunty Uzoma post about Two-Face, say Two-Face dey follow woman dey sleep with him ex-wife, abi na baby mama. Now there this Nedu wife self come outside. They talk say time don reach for am to call out him ex-husband. Say him ex-husband dey beat am. Say na wetin make she comot from this marriage. Now wetin this lady, Madam Hazel, talk, e no too take. Nedu self come outside say wetin this woman dey talk say na lie. Say in fact na she gon dey beat am. Hey, this one surprise me. Say na woman na dey beat am. Hey, na wow. Now the thing no even come end for there. Say wetin come make am leave the whole marriage again na because of say wetin. Say this woman carry pikin wey no be im own pikin. That means the first child wey this woman born for am. Say im realize say no be im get the pikin. Say im go do DNA test na there im come notice say no be im get am. And this man carry proof of the result show us say this one na true. Hey self, you self dey your body, abi something dey your body. How you go carry another man pikin go give another person? You can't dey complain say the man no go comot. Abeg, why this man no go comot? But I no know wetin enter this woman body. Maybe she dey feel say she dey very right. Now she can't decide again. Say she wan grant interview to explain wetin happen. My people, abeg, make una join me watch this interview.
Yes, I put a post on my Instagram story and on my page too, with pictures of myself, my bloody nose and my arm. So yes, I got married to him. The marriage was hell, and it was really tough. We tried to make it work and it didn't work, and we both went our separate ways. 1 year after he left us, I didn't walk out of our marriage. I'm so sorry. Phone calls are just coming. I'm really sorry about that. Yeah, so 1 year after he left, he got married. And he put up the DNA report. Now, I want everybody to know that that wasn't the genesis of our problem. And if you saw that report, I'm sure you saw the dates, the year that was conducted. This man had already left 2 years before then, like 2 years and before this DNA was conducted. So this wasn't the issue. This was not the reason for our separation. So yeah. From the first day that man walked into my life till the day he left, I was never with any man. I can swear on it. Before I met NEDU Wazobia, I was seeing somebody. I was in a relationship. He was on the sides, disturbing me. I mean, there were a couple of times he had invited me to Lagos, and this was my service year in 2012. He had invited me a couple of times to Lagos, and I turned it down. And after this relationship, shortly after this relationship ended, the previous relationship ended, I was like, okay, fine. Let me just see this guy first. And we met up, and he seemed like a very cool person. And I decided to give it a try. And we started from there. And along the line, I found out I was pregnant. Trust me, if I knew that the child, that my son, my first child, was not for him, if I knew, I would never have walked in. I wouldn't have let him. I mean, I can't deliberately take another man's child and give to another person. No, I wouldn't do that. If I knew, I wouldn't have gotten married to him.
Now, wow, I don't even understand this one. But first, I get a question for you. Shey e go dey possible for woman to get belle for another person? She go come dey claim say she no know. Because me na wetin I one reason, because by the time wey this woman do wedding, you know too tey na she born pikin. E mean say she know say she don get belle since. If only be say she don dey date Nedu plus this her husband, because she dey talk say now fine and good, say she no dey deny say she no carry another man pikin come give Nedu, but say she dey accuse this man of bigamy. This one wey mean say person dey marry person wey don marry before, that means Nedu know say she don marry before. But I no come understand. Fine, you don marry before, why be say they come toast you come gree? If I dey talk and say fear woman, una no go believe. You when you know say you be married woman, man come ask you out, you no tell am say okay I am married or I am even currently pregnant. You can't decide say fine and good I go marry this man carrying another pikin based on suspicion. Na there later on, totally like 2 years later, na there this man come dey do DNA on him last born. Na there him come realize say even him first born no be him get am. Abeg wetin make man go dey do DNA if no be say him don hear something say this pikin no be him own, and na she still use her mouth talk say if she even cook sometimes the man no go dey chop. E mean say this man don dey suspect something, or this man don dey reveal am say something dey go on between you, or he no dey even trust you again. Maybe he no dey feel secured with you again. But madam, this whole matter wey dey come outside dey do interview for me, I feel say na you cast yourself, because you no even dey necessary at all. Now you shame yourself. Happy say you go get belle, you no go even shame hide yourself. You go still come as I come dey talk this one. But me, Mr. Nedu, I go advise say for the sake of peace, to abeg take care of your children. Do the test again to dey sure say okay, this one's na your own pikin. The one wey be your pikin, take care of am. Make we know say fine, you dey do your duty as a papa. No be say this woman now come and say she don't go police, she don't go court. Until you dey wrong on all notes. I don't know why you still get moral, you still get vim. They speak up, they talk say the marriage no break because of say the man leave you, say because he find out say him pikin, say na communication. Abeg, even if na communication, if person find out this kind thing, say no be him get pikin, in fact the whole love go chatter, that mean na shatter. Everything go just die, because this one go break him heart. Pikin wey don groom from small, they play with am, pikin go dey call am daddy daddy, he no go believe say no be even get pikin, and he now go dey claim say na my pikin, na my son, I am a man, not knowing say no be even get pikin. All these kind of things, they break home. So auntie, abeg, I go advise, go sit down for one place, cover your face with one eye, because this one what you do na shameful thing. In fact, no woman dey in support of what you do. So I don't know what can they give you the right to come as I come they talk this one now. But anyway, my people, I hear this one as make I bring am come. Make na service na here what they happen. If na get anything talk about this Nedu case with him wife own, make na write am inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for our next story.